My child, you think you know the secret to making money? Think again. You have been lied to, misled, and held back. But today, I'm going to reveal the two weapons that will change your financial fate forever. You have two weapons to make money. Two, that's it. You can either make money from money or you can make money from time. That's the dichotomy. That's the choice. You can invest or you can work. But let me tell you, the rich don't just do one, they do both. The wealthy elite, the trillionaires, they don't just invest, they don't just work, they do both. They use every resource at their disposal, every weapon in their arsenal. Elon Musk doesn't just work, he doesn't just invest, he does both. He uses his time, his money, his resources to build empires. He doesn't just dream, he doesn't just scheme, he executes. And that's what sets him apart. That's what makes him a trillionaire. I know he's a billionaire, but soon he's going to be a trillionaire. So I ask you this, how are you using your two weapons? How are you utilizing your money and your time? Are you investing in your future or are you wasting your present? Are you working towards financial freedom or are you slaving away in a rat race? The choice is yours. The power is yours. You have the ability to create wealth, to build empires, to change your financial fate. But it starts with a choice. It starts with a decision. It starts with a commitment to using your two weapons, your money and your time, to their fullest potential. Do not, and I say do not waste another day. Do not waste another dollar. Use your weapons, use your resources, use your time and your money to build the financial future you deserve. But remember, the trillionaires, they do both. They use every resource at their disposal. They don't just dream, they execute. And that's what sets them apart. That's what makes them trillionaires. The time for excuses is over. The time for action is now. Rise up, take control, and forge a financial legacy that will shake the very foundations of the earth. Click here now to watch more and unlock the boundless wisdom of the champions. Wake up.